Sunil here from Exterior Clean Melbourne and R Clean. We are on a house wash today. As you can see, there's quite a lot of mold. This is a composite weatherboard. I think it's actually some kind of plastic. A lot of mold growing on here, which is not surprising given that it's a hills home in the hills, and also it's completely surrounded by trees, etc. So as you can see, a lot of dirt, okay, and dirt and mold. I'm going to be cleaning this up. You can see there's also quite a bit of dirt here on the eaves, which I'm hoping we can improve from our chemical soft wash process. Okay, so we are going to be using chemical on this house. It's important, otherwise we cannot remove this mold. And there's quite bad here, specifically around where there's vines, as you can see. So you can see here, right through here, I'll be cleaning all these shutters for them as well, and right through here, as well as a deck. Okay, so this is the before, and I'll be washing all underneath here. So, and then we'll be finishing off with an external window clean. Hope that's helpful, and I will show you the results at the end. Everyone, so look at this. These are the finished results. Look at this. All those moldy patches have all been cleaned up through these eaves. I think you might have seen that. Look at the boards and how brilliant they look. They're really reflecting so much more light. Windows are being cleaned, so these have been done. All the fly screens are being cleaned. As you can see, it's really come up well. It's really come up well. So there's some minor marking here on the boards. I don't know what that is, but it's certainly not on the surface, so we haven't been able to work with that. Have a look at this side here. It's really come up good. Absolutely beautiful. Part of the reason why mold grows and mildew, of course, is when you have plants like they do here very close to the house, you will be having that. But this is a hills home and they love where they live, so it's great things. I'll just show you this here. All of that's been cleaned up. So we're just finishing the windows now, and this is the back pavers, back entrance area. We're just going to come through here, and you can see this is just a huge difference come through. I wanted to show you now because I'm running out of light, so I'm just going to show you that. Look at that. That's come up so good. All that surface mold and mildew has come off the boards beautifully, and yeah, customer's really happy. We've also cleaned the skylights on this property, as well as the solar panels, and we also did the gutters. So it's been a complete makeover for this property. So really good. We'll just tidy up these little small things here and there, but fundamentally I just wanted to show you that what can be achieved, and all within one day's work. So if you need help with your house, give us a call. We'd be happy to give you a quote. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.